You know, we're supposed to be talking in her presence.
So talk.
And we need to be positive, too, so she actually wants to come back. Oh, no.
What?
I call Robbie every morning. I didn't get to talk to him today. He started camp today. I have to go call her. You stay with her?
Yeah, yeah. Michelle, I don't know what to say. You know, everything that people have been saying to you is true. Danny did an amazing thing, Michelle. Not only did we bring Salerno down, but he saved Riva's life, too. So he's free, he's clear, and you guys can live the life that you've always wanted, Michelle. I just want you to open your eyes and come back to us, and then we'll figure this all out somehow, you know, together. Michelle. Michelle, come on, can you hear me? Hey. Michelle, it's me, it's Tony, I'm right here. Okay, please, I want you to wake up for me, please. Can you open your eyes? Huh? Can you do that for me, please? Oh my God, Michelle, please, come on, open your eyes, come on, please. Nurse, Danny?
How long? Hi.
It's quite a while, but it's okay. Michelle, you're here, you're back, it's okay. Hi.
It's you. You're here.
I can't believe you're awake, Michelle. Okay, listen, don't move, okay? Please, don't move.
Don't worry.
I'm gonna go get Danny. Hold on. Danny! Michelle's awake. She's awake. Get inside. Come on. Oh, my God. Hi.
Oh, God, you came back to me. Oh, God, you came back. You okay? Huh? How do you feel?
I don't know. I feel fine. I think
Okay, Rick will check you out. I can't believe this. I just can't. Oh, God, you came back to me. You came back. I can't believe it. I can't. What? What's the matter? What?
I'm sorry. What? I'm sorry, but who are you?
It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. You don't know who I am.
Should I? What's your name?
Tony.
Tony.
Tony's my cousin.
And who are you again?
I'm Danny. I'm your husband. You don't?
No, I don't remember you.
Find Rick. Get him in here.
All right, okay.
Right now.
Wait, where are you going?
To find a doctor. He's your brother. It's okay. All right, I'll be right back.
So, why am I here? Like, am I sick or something? What's wrong with me?
No, you were in an accident. But it's okay. Michelle, you're gonna be fine.
Michelle? I'm Michelle?
You? I can't tell you how good it is to see you up and awake, Michelle.
He's my doctor?
And your brother, I'm Rick.
I don't remember you. I'm sorry.
No, don't don't apologize. It's okay. Do you mind if I ask you a couple questions?
Sure. I don't know if I'm know the answers, but...
Do you know your name?
Yeah, but that's just because he told me... Danny told me. Danny, right?
Right. Do you know the date, the year?
It's 2004. It's May.
Well, no, actually it's June, but that's okay. Don't worry about that. What about your birthday?
I don't know. I have no idea. What's wrong with me? You're a doctor. Why can't I remember anything?
You suffered a massive head trauma, okay, which has led you to some long-term memory loss.
Long-term memory loss?
It's very common.
Well, how long is it going to last?
Can't say.
When will it come back?
In time, the memory usually does come back, but every case is different.
All right, it's okay. It'll come back. Honey, it'll come back. Because you're a fighter. And you always have been.
I don't remember you or you.
Stay with me, Michelle.
But I do remember you.
This is good. Okay, so what do you remember about Tony?
He, you lifted me up.
Yeah. And you kind of opened your eyes. You said my name.
You found it. Is this before the second explosion?
Yeah.
What, explosion? What?
The accident that you were in, there was an explosion in a warehouse and you were trapped inside.
And you saved me?
I pulled you out.
Tony is the one who brought you here, Michelle. He's the reason that you're still in our lives.
No, I happened to be at the right place at the right time, Michelle. It was Danny's faith. Seriously, it was his faith that brought you back to us.
All right, I'm gonna run a few more tests. I'll be right back.
Do you think you'll find something?
Danny, I'm just gonna try to play it safe here, okay? Michelle, listen, if you need anything, just push the call button and ask the nurse to come track me down, okay? Everything's gonna be fine. I'll be right back.
Thanks.
Listen, Danny, I'm gonna give you some time, okay?
Can I get you something? You want anything?
Some water?
Can't imagine what you must be going through right now.
Here you go.
We are married?
We are married.
Were we in love?
More than I can tell you.
So our marriage was good.
Mm-hmm. Well, our lives were, complicated. But, yeah. You and I were good. We've always been good.
Good. That's good. That's good.
I guess this must be kind of scary for you, not remembering.
It's a little freaky.
It's okay. I know that right now I guess I'm a little bit of a stranger to you, so maybe you can't really believe anything I'm telling you. But, can you look in my eyes and see how I feel about you?
I don't, really know what I'm seeing.
Okay, it's okay. It's all right. We're gonna get through this together.
Thank you.